So hello everyone, myself Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the MDocs Off Campus Drive 2021. In our previous video we discussed about the IVM Off Campus Drive 2021, which is applicable for the freshers or the candidates those who are having 0 to 1 years of experience. If you have not applied for the IVM Off Campus, the link is there in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply for the IVM Off Campus before it gets expired. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates like this. And yeah, in our previous off-campus video, we discussed about the Relevel platform by Unacademy a little bit, and I forgot to mention one thing or the one extra thing because here, if you see, they have announced the leaderboard for the previous month. That means every month they are doing the they are publishing the leaderboard. That means the candidates, those who have scored good. Three different candidates will be getting the exciting prizes like MacBook, iPhone, Apple Watch, etc. If you see here, these are the three different candidates those who have received the good or the exciting prizes. And apart from that, you will be getting the opportunity to get placed in the top or the leading startup companies like Cred, Urban Company, and Uber Eats, etc., etc. You can get placed, and it totally free of cost, and anyone can register up to starting from 18 years to the maximum 40 years of age. Candidates can apply, and there is no year gap applicable for this like off campus. Any qualification is not it is not a barrier. And for the like business development executive, salary will be getting 4 LPA, and for the front end and back end you will be getting 6 LPA, as I discussed in our previous video. So if you are willing to apply or log in or register, just click here sign up or login. You can provide your phone number and you will be getting the OTP, and after doing the successful registration, you can book your slot and you can give that test, and according to your scores you will be getting the job opportunities. So I will be putting this registration link in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply or register in this platform if you are willing to get a highly paid job. So MDocs is hiring for the role of machine learning engineer or the data science engineer. So I can see that most of the candidates are nowadays willing to join these leading technologies or the evolving field, because I have seen most of the candidates who are commenting, please provide us the machine learning or the data science related job updates. So here it is. So here the job location is Pune, and these are the like what you will be doing. Like you will enhance your ML software development skill set. You will telecommunication knowledge in the interpret and analyze the data. These are the like basic stuffs you will be doing as a machine learning engineer. And what are the need? Experience in machine learning and data science. It is advantage, but it is not mandatory. That means if a fresher candidate has the knowledge in these things, and if he or she has a hands-on experience in these things, it will be fine. But if you have experience, then it will be adding more advantage into or more weightage to your profile. Then bachelor degree in computer science, mathematics, or the statistics is preferred, or advantages it will be adding, but it is not mandatory. That means any branch candidates can apply if we have experience or relevant things. If you know, then it is well and good. Then why you will love this job? Like it is related to the AI and ML. You will be will be able to know more in this field, like leading technologies you will be able to know. Apart from that, if you ask me about the year of pass out criteria, any year of pass out or the batch candidates can apply. There is no specific percentage criteria here. That means minimum 60% you can take or consider for this like for your graduation. And ME, MTech, MSc, MCA or other candidates or the branch candidates can apply. No issues with that. And if you are willing to apply, simply click on the apply now button here. Then you will be able to apply for this like off campus by logging in into your MDocs portal. So if you've already logged in into the MDocs portal, or if you have already registered in this portal, no need to register again. By simply providing your resume and all, and you need to choose password, email address, etc., etc. You need to put. After putting email address, etc., then your account will be created and you can apply for this MDocs off campus. Notice period, region, country, and like acknowledgement, you need to like I understand these things. I need to choose. These are the basic stuffs I hope you will be able to choose by yourself mobile number, total years of experience you need to put, number of days required to join, like notice period, expected yearly compensation, that means the salary you need to provide. All these things, these are the like common or the basic things you need to provide. After providing all these things, I am not a robot and I need to accept their terms and condition, then click on the apply button. Then I'll be putting this link in the description of this video, that means the job link and the re-level registration link in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply for this MDocs off campus as soon as possible before it gets expired. So I hope you all are able to understand about the eligibility criteria, etc. If you have any doubt regarding this off campus, you can reach us through our email address or through the comment section below. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.